Hey guys, welcome to another S Group Daily Review video number 121, I believe. So yeah, things are moving along here, guys. Just thought I'd do this quick video here. I had some commissions come in, $3.97 from one of my members. It's pretty sweet. Also, let's see. Yeah, we did get our earnings last night. So today is a Thursday, guys. So we got this is from Wednesday, 0.26%. Made $48.72 on the money I've invested. Referral bonus, $3.44. That's pretty sweet. So that came in as well. So going over the investment section here, guys. Guys can see my progress. At $434.08 I've made in the money I've invested in the Forex market over, let's see, the last 9 days has passed as you see in these investments. Once this reaches 28 days, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine all the investments I have in here. I might make another one or two because I have some bonus coming in. So I can be combining these by checking these boxes. Looking combined deposits, and that money will go up here, and then I'll just put some of the rest of the money back in so I can make some more money by investing it back into the total deposits. So it'll get me over 25,000. That should happen about next week, guys. Actually, because I have a guy underneath me. He's going to put in about another 2 grand or so. So I'm about $530 away from my team turnover, my bonus, which I'll show you guys here. Okay, where is it here? Oh, sorry, my underneath careers. There we go. So as you see, oh, there we go, $490. Yeah, that's right, because I had somebody invest some money, reinvest some of their money back into the system, their earnings. So $490 away, guys, from the $1,000 bonus. I'm kind of excited about that. So that'll happen sometime in the next little while. And what we're going to do here now, guys, we are going to, just going to look at my dashboard here. Nope, nope, I'm going to go to investments. I want you guys to also be aware of, yeah, guys, I mean, 23,287. I wanted to show you. This is how much money I've made in the Forex market since I started back in October 2020. So this is a really great passive income, guys. Like, I've been taking the money out, reinvesting money back in, growing my principal. So that way when we make the earnings every day, Monday through Friday, the money I have invested is going to be a larger chunk of change coming in based on the percentage, right? Because if you have, say, 25,000 in a day of a trading day of 0.26, you're making about $50. Whereas 30,000, you're probably going to make about maybe $40. So as time goes on, as this keeps growing, the amount of money that I make Monday through Friday is going to keep going up, guys. So that's the beauty of S Group. I love S Group. I think it's phenomenal. If you guys want to make some passive income, this is a great opportunity for you to do so. Just click on the sign up link down below, and then you can sign up underneath my team, guys. You could check the back office, go through, read up on the company, learn about the history of the company. It's been around for about 5 years now, and they have 5 years of successful trades. All that's in the history in the back office as well. And yeah, guys, get your account funded, and just look at this. Look at all these earning days. I mean, this could be you guys, having money like that. I have 2 giant investment chunks, 24,200 and 400 sitting in there. I want to dump in another 4 or 500 in the next week. It's going to be next Thursday, actually, because he said on the 6th is when he's going to make the investment. So as you'll see, the 6th is next Thursday. So that's coming up, guys. Really, really excited about it. Getting towards the end of my 5-minute daily review video. Just want to let you guys see my progress today. Pretty straightforward. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below this video so you can subscribe to my channel. You can learn more about the system and see all the new updates and stuff that's coming. There's going to be a bunch coming in the next a couple weeks from what I understand, so look out for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video, I guess. Don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Take care and hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.